Squats are a popular and effective exercise known for their ability to target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Incorporating squats into your daily routine can have various positive effects on your body and overall fitness. In this video, we will explore the benefits and changes that occur when you perform 50 squats a day. Increased lower body strength. Performing 50 squats a day can lead to a significant increase in lower body strength. Squats primarily target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, helping to build muscle mass and improve overall strength. As you continue to do squats, you'll notice your legs becoming stronger and more toned. Improved muscle endurance. Consistently doing 50 squats a day challenges your muscles and helps improve their endurance. Squats require both strength and stamina, and over time your muscles adapt to the demands placed on them. As a result, you'll be able to perform daily activities with greater ease and reduced fatigue. Enhanced stability and balance. Squats engage not only your leg muscles but also your core muscles, which play a crucial role in stability and balance. By incorporating 50 squats into your routine, you'll develop better balance and stability, which can improve your overall physical performance and reduce the risk of falls or injuries. Increased calorie burn. Since squats are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, they can contribute to increased calorie burn. Performing 50 squats a day can elevate your heart rate, boost your metabolism, and contribute to weight management and fat loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Improved functional strength. Squats are considered a functional exercise because they mimic movements used in everyday activities such as sitting down, standing up, and lifting objects. By incorporating 50 squats into your routine, you'll develop improved functional strength, making daily tasks easier to perform. Enhanced flexibility and range of motion. Adding 50 squats to your daily routine can improve your flexibility and increase your range of motion. Squats require proper joint mobility, and by performing them regularly, you can enhance your flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles. This can be particularly beneficial for activities that involve bending, squatting, or performing exercises with a wide range of motion. Boosted metabolism and fat burning. Squats are a compound exercise that encourages large muscle groups, which can help boost your metabolism and increase fat burning potential. Doing 50 squats a day can elevate your heart rate and stimulate calorie expenditure even after your workout. This can support weight management goals and contribute to overall fat loss when combined with a healthy diet and consistent exercise routine. Improved posture and spinal alignment. Performing squats regularly can have a positive impact on your posture and spinal alignment. Squats strengthen the muscles that support your spine, including the erector spinae and core muscles. By strengthening these muscles, you can improve your posture and reduce the risk of developing poor postural habits. Increased bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like squats have been shown to increase bone density and promote better bone health. Doing 50 squats a day can provide the necessary stress and load on your bones to stimulate bone growth and reduce the risk of osteoporosis or bone-related conditions. Enhanced athletic performance. Squats are a fundamental exercise for athletes across various sports. By incorporating 50 squats into your routine, you can enhance your athletic performance. Squats improve lower body power, explosiveness, and strength, which can benefit activities such as running, jumping, and agility movements. Mental benefits and improved confidence. Engaging in regular physical activity, including 50 squats a day, has positive mental health benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, which can boost mood, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Additionally, as you see progress in your squatting abilities and physical appearance, your confidence and self-esteem may improve. Remember, consistency is key when incorporating any exercise into your routine. Start with proper form, gradually increase the intensity, and listen to your body to avoid overexertion or injury. Always consult with a qualified fitness professional before starting any new exercise program.